What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Canixel. If you are a Unity user, especially if you are messing around with Ziva softwares, you are gonna want to stick around for this one. Unity just dropped some huge news about Ziva VFX, Ziva Real-Time, and Ziva Face Trainer, and I'm here to break it down for you. So let's rewind a bit. Back on January 24, 2022, Unity made waves when they announced that they were acquiring Ziva Dynamics. It was a big deal, bringing Ziva's awesome tool for character rigging and animation right into Unity's wallet. But as of April 2, 2024, things have taken a turn. Unity decided to stop selling and supporting the entire Ziva Dynamics suite. That means Ziva VFX, Ziva Real-Time, and Ziva Face Trainer are off the market, and Unity is not offering any more support. Why the switch up? They're doing a bit of a company reset, doubling down their core products and trimming down their portfolio. So if Ziva has been your go-to for rigging characters and real-time animation or facial animation, this is a big deal for you. Now, don't stress just yet. There's a lifeline if you are already a Ziva subscriber. You can hop over to the Ziva customer portal and convert your current license into a 5-year term. That's huge. It means you can keep using the software way past when your original license was set to expire. I would say get on that as soon as possible to lock in that extra time and figure out your next move. Here is where it gets interesting. Unity's passed the baton to DNEG.
What is DNEG?
They're a major player in visual effects and animation. DNEG snagged an exclusive perpetual license for Ziva's IP. Now, we don't know exactly what they're cooking up with it, but this could mean some seriously cool stuff for movies, games, or even other industries down the road. For now, though, as Unity folks won't see any change right away. So, what's the plan? If you have got a Ziva license, hit up that Ziva's customer portal and lock in that 5-year term, like yesterday. If you are starting to think about other options, now is the time to check out tools like Autodesk Maya or Blender's rigging systems. This is a big change for sure, but it's also a great opportunity to mix things up and explore new workflows. I would love to hear from you. How are you handling this news? Found any awesome Ziva alternatives? Share them in the comments. If this video helped you understand what's going on, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.